Fox 59 is also on a mission today to help local kids start the school year with the supplies they need.
Yep.
It's called Operation Backpack.
Families are spending so much money right now getting their kids ready to head back to the classroom. Fox 59's Melissa Crash explains how Operation Backpack will help set them up for success.
We're partnering with Volunteers of America today because, as we all know, school supplies, they can get pricey. Well, by donating today, you can help get notebooks like this, even backpacks, to families in need.
If you have even 2 kids, it is around $800 in supplies.
For Principal Adrian Kuchek, Operation Backpack is a huge relief. School supplies, they're essential.
Number one, it's the most important thing. That's where we do all of our work.
But with rising prices, the reality is some kids may not be fully prepared to head back to class. According to the National Retail Federation, inflation has caused a 40% increase in back-to-school spending. That's where Volunteers of America steps in.
It's just here and ready for them, so that's a really huge burden off of not only students and teachers, because we also, like, a lot of times we end up funding that, but also parents as well.
Operation Backpack runs on community support, and this is the final push for donations.
You can pick the school supplies you want to donate, backpacks, whatever it is that you want to give, or you can donate monetarily, and it'll all go directly to Indianapolis Public Schools.
The donation drive hopes to provide 500 IPS students like Principal Kuchek's what they need to feel empowered.
They're so happy, and you know, it's heartbreaking though to hear some kids say they've never had these things. So it really is life-changing for them, and it makes such a difference in their lives.
It has a binder for like pencils for like coloring when you're
Removing the financial barrier so all kids can show up on day one with their backpacks full and ready to learn.
It's a troll.
And then when they open it, it's like Christmas.
Butterfly. Ta-da.
So if you can, please donate today or go to places like Kroger here. They got some pretty good deals. It all can make a huge difference. For now, reporting, I'm Melissa Crash, Fox 59 News.
Now, if you'd like to donate, you can scan this QR code here on your screen. We're going to take a second, let you get your phones out to do that. It will send you to our website and a link to how you can donate. Your donation fund will fund new backpacks and supplies for IPS students who need them the most. You can also visit our website, fox59.com, at any time. Just look for the Operation Backpack under Quick Links. The drive runs until the end of the day today.